Hey guys, I'm going to teach you guys today how to use this really cool and free website called code.org. It teaches you and your students how to code, and it's really simple and easy, and it starts all the way down in the pre-K and kindergarten level. So here under your students tab, you can find all the courses. They have K through 5, 6 through 12, and beyond. And then here's a couple different things you can do on here, learn how to code. So like learn how to code Flappy Bird or the App Lab, or even leave Minecraft or a dance party. So those are just a few fun, cool options for the students. Then if you go back to the Educators tab, you can make up an account for all of your classes, and like put your kids in, and like you're able to record all of like their stuff as they go. So looking through all of that, you'll go back up to the top and you'll go to code.org/join. And so I sent you guys in your emails a few days ago a picture that had, or the logins. So your code you're going to enter is MYM